For those of you who I've not met before, hi, my name is Jay, and what we're going to do is answer your questions. So I tend at Cashflow Diary, we've been teaching individuals to do real estate and real estate related strategies for quite some time. And uh, that's what we're still doing. We tend to focus right now primarily on short-term rentals and kind of like that. And at the same time, we know that there's a number of people who have questions, whether they're real estate, business, or what have you related. And we like to make sure that we make ourselves available, specifically me, so that all of our students and occasionally you guys from around the globe get an opportunity to ask questions. So hello, I believe this is Svetlana. Do I have that right?
Yes. Hi, Jay. I'm online.
Awesome. How are you?
Good. Have questions for you. What is the best way to attract guests who would stay 1 month or longer?
Got it. So, great question. And this is a question that we get frequently, especially as ordinances change or things change for everybody. When it comes down to length of stay, being able to attract a person who wants to stay a length of a certain length of time has a lot to do with A, what platform you're on, and B, your pricing pattern, specifically your pricing strategy. For example, the longer guests I have found in our research, we have found that longer guests tend to come from, honestly, we get more of them from other platforms other than Airbnb. So I would say the HomeAway as well as Booking.com. And you must also understand how each of those sites not only markets to their customer database, but how they display your listing. For example, as I've said before, Booking.com is a discount marketplace. And because they're a discount marketplace, they tend to focus on how much of a discount you're giving in terms of prioritizing where you are in their search engine. So if you're on an Airbnb, then you've got to be closer to the true rate, but still do the same kind of idea to where, say, you're pricing yourself 25%. Yeah, 25% more. So I'm making up numbers real fast, but let's pretend that you wanted $6,000 a month. That's what you actually wanted. I would take that number divided by 0.75, and then I would give a 20% discount or so, somewhere there, 22% discount on, say, an Airbnb. On a Booking.com, I would do that same thing, except I would probably divide by an even larger number, so maybe a 0.65 or a 0.68, and still give a 20, 21, 22% discount, again, for the monthly stay. Also, though, while you can do all of those things, the absolute, bar none, shut the door best way to get a 30-day reservation is going to be working with insurance companies. That's literally the best, because the insurance claims adjuster, most of the time, it's usually the house is flooded. Sometimes it's fire, but the homeowner is being displaced for some reason. And when it gets to that level, it's at least 30 days, often longer. Those are by far the best that's the best market to be in, and so that you can make that happen. Does that make sense?
Yes, thank you, Jay. Would
No
you
problem.
recommend to use Craigslist for this purpose?
Um, okay, if you're going to go down the Craigslist route, you're going to need to also then have more screening in place. But no, it's not. I have not recommended anyone try Craigslist for that purpose.
Okay, but any
Okay.
stay
Okay.
over 30 days, should I have lease agreement signed or just let them stay as on
I'm sorry. Say that
Airbnb?
again.
Should I have lease agreement signed between me and tenant? No.
Got it. And again, that's going to come down to how. All right. So one, always remember, the one thing I am not for anybody is ever their attorney, and there are times where it can make sense. It just also depends. For example, if I'm doing a direct contract with a corporation, I'm definitely going to make sure that the corporation is where I'm housing their employees or something of that nature. that can make a ton of sense. But sometimes this person could be someone you know from church, and that doesn't mean you shouldn't. But at the same time, I have seen and know of instances where that did not occur, even though they were staying longer. But to avail yourself or to protect yourself from a potential tenants rights issue, that's probably a good idea. So definitely thanks for giving us a call. I'm gonna get to the next caller now, and I appreciate you taking the time.
Thank you so much.
No problem. If you like information like this, go ahead and hit that like button, because that tells YouTube that more entrepreneurs see us. And definitely hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that the next time we publish more quality content like this, you can be a part. Thanks.